In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a row report in Smartsheet. Let's get started right from your Smartsheet home or workspace view. First, look toward the upper left corner of your screen for the Create button. This is your main starting point whenever you want to build something new in Smartsheet, whether that's a sheet, a dashboard, or in this case, a report. Click on Create to open the Creation panel. Once that panel opens, you'll be asked where you want to save this new item. Go ahead and click on Select a Location. This step is important because it helps keep your work organized. If you're working in a shared environment, choosing the right workspace or folder ensures that your teammates can access the report later, based on the permissions you set. After you click Select a Location, you'll see a list of your workspaces, folders, and possibly your personal sheets. Browse through this list and pick the folder or workspace where this row report should live. When you've found the right place, click Select to confirm that location. Take a second here to double check you're not saving it in a random or personal folder if it really belongs in a shared project space. With the location chosen, you're ready to choose the type of item you want to create. In the creation options, find and click on Report. Smartsheet will now know that you're not creating a brand new sheet or template, but specifically a report that pulls information from existing sheets. When the report options appear, select Row Report. A row report is designed to show rows of data pulled from one or more sheets, based on criteria you define. This is perfect for things like task lists filtered by assignee, due date, status, or any other field you're tracking. Clicking Row Report will open the report builder. From here, follow the on-screen prompts that Smartsheet provides. You'll typically be guided to choose which sheets or workspaces you want to pull data from, then set up filters and conditions to decide which rows should appear. You can also pick which columns to display so the report only shows the most relevant information. As you work through each prompt, take your time to review your selections and preview the results. When everything looks good, save your report and give it a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily find and understand it later. And that's all you need to create a row report in Smartsheet.